Tuesday the 12th of January 2010. Today Nick and I travelled from Tokyo to Niseko. We haven't been too organised this trip and we were so close to missing the train. In our sleeping compartment we met this beautiful, intriguing young woman named Emma. We played cards with Emma and her friend Georgie for hours before falling asleep. There was something about Emma and I can't get her out of my head. I need to make sure I see this girl again.
So thankful that your mum convinced you to catch that overnight train. But while most of you know that I am the least superstitious person probably in the room, I know that we were meant for each other. And if it hadn't been for that cold winter's night in Japan, I still would have found you.
I'm just a wanderer. Am I too far gone? Am I too far gone? Wanderer, I keep on wandering till I keep.
She brought us so much joy when she came to the world, and she has grown into an accomplished young woman who has given us so much to be thankful for.
She's the kind of friend you want as a sister and the type of sister you want as a friend. And I'm so lucky to have her as both.
Emma moved to Tasmania, packed up her car with all her possessions and began her 5-year vascular surgery program. And as you all know, I flew to Las Vegas for my Bucks party.
And then he looked at me and he had the most piercing blue eyes. And I remember feeling like no one had ever looked at me before.
Mum has astutely pointed out, ever since I was little, how I've always wanted a sister. I'm truly lucky to now have one as special as you.
I can feel it so. I keep on chasing.
As you sit side by side through the roller coaster of life, remember to scream from the peaks, hold hands through the dips, laugh through the loops, and enjoy every twist and turn.
Now let me turn to Theodore. He's our number one son. Firstborn, first in time. All I really want to say, Theo, is keep being who you are because it will make you a good husband.
To quote Cristina Yang from Grey's Anatomy. You are my person, and you will always be my person. I love you more than I could have ever imagined, and I'm so proud and excited to be your wife.